In this video, I'll guide you through how to enter a Moneygram promo code. This process is simple and straightforward, ensuring you make the most of any discounts available to you. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Moneygram app. If you haven't already, log into your account. It's important to ensure you're using the correct credentials to access all the features, including applying promo codes. Once you're in, you'll want to tap on the Send Money option. This will lead you to the section where you can initiate a new transaction. Now, proceed to fill in the transaction details as you normally would. This means entering the receiver's information, the amount you wish to send, and selecting your preferred method of payment. This part is crucial because the system needs all the correct details to process your transaction smoothly. Before you move on to complete the transfer, it's time to look for the Enter Promo Code field. You'll typically find this on the payment or review screen, right where you would expect to double-check all your information. Once you've located the field, simply tap on it. This is where you'll enter the promo code you have. After typing in your promo code, tap Apply. It's essential to ensure that the code is entered correctly, so double-check for any typos or extra spaces that might prevent it from being accepted. If your code is valid, you'll see the discount applied to your total amount or fees. This is a great way to save some money, so it's definitely worth taking the time to get it right. With your updated total in view, review the transaction details one more time to make sure everything is correct. This includes confirming the receiver details, the amount, and the updated fees. Once you're satisfied with the review, go ahead and complete the transaction, and that's it. That's how to enter a Moneygram promo code. This simple process ensures you take advantage of any available discounts, making your money transfers even more cost-effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.